Yo, 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 what is up? How's everybody doing out there in virtual classroom land? Hopefully pretty good. Today's wonderful topic is called fractions and decimals on the number line. Hold your applause. I know it's very exciting. So let's take a look at it. Remember, they're comparing how fractions and decimals are similar. So using a number line, it's just like a fraction. You got the whole number line between, in this case, 0 and 1 or whatever it is, broken into separate parts, and each part represents a part of the whole. So we'll be doing our fraction decimal comparison, thinking about it that way on a number line. So here's what it says. It says, what decimal names the location of each letter point on the number line? Tell how you decided, solve this problem any way you choose. Okay. So first of all, before I would even try to name anything, I would look at the number line and just try to just understand what's this number line all about. So this first one, it goes from 0 to 1. So our whole is from 0 to 1. And then I guess I would look and see how many equal parts is it cut into. So start here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one's in tenths. Okay. So basically, how much tenths are in a whole? 10 tenths. So if A is the first spot, that would be at 1/10. Okay. Where's B at? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tenths. 5 tenths. C is at 6, 7 tenths. So do you remember how to write that as a decimal point? So 1/10, 5 tenths, and 7 tenths. Remember, if it's a tenth, there's only one place to the right of the decimal. So 1/10 will be 0.1. 5 tenths would be 0.5. 7 tenths would be 0.7. Okay? Now this one's a little different. But I think what we would want to do is look at how many are there in the whole entire thing. I guess. Or maybe we're just going from 1 to 2. Probably just going from 1 to 2. I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm stumped. Yep, I'm stumped. Because I'm sure they don't want us to say 1/13. But if this is your whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm guessing this is where 1 starts. So that would be 10, 9, 8, 7. This one's probably, D is probably 7 tenths. And then I'm guessing E would be 2 tenths. And F would be 9 tenths. I'm guessing. 1. So 7 tenths, 0.7. 2 tenths, 0.2. 9 tenths, 0.9. This one looks like it's got a few more. Let's take a peek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, 10. So that one's at 2 tenths. This one's at 3, 4, 5, 6 tenths. And this is from here to here, tenths again. 1, 2, 3, 4 tenths. Okay, so that's how you do that. I think you're really just focusing on between the whole numbers here. And since this one was before it, you know that this is 10 tenths, 9 tenths, 8 tenths, 7 tenths. That's how you do that. That one's confusing. To me, it's confusing that they don't have the whole numbers here, here, here like they should. Okay, so that's pretty much that. I'm looking at this bottom one now. It says, is the decimal for point B above this one different from the decimal for point B on the number line below? Explain. Well, let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, B here is at 5/10. Wasn't B up there at 5/10? Yeah. So the answer would be no, they're at the same point. 5/10 is the same as 5/10. They're equal. Okay. That's that. Now let's take a look at this. In long track speed skating, each lap is 4/10 kilometer. During practice, Elizabeth skated 3 75/100 kilometers. Draw a number line to show 4/10 and 3 75/100. You can use a number line to locate and describe fractions and decimals. Well, this says draw a number line to show 4/10 and 3.75. So here's how they would go about doing that. 4/10 one, that's pretty straightforward. Just go between 0 and 1. 10 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's your point, okay? This one gets a little bigger because you got to get past the whole numbers. So look at how they draw this one. This one's an interesting way of doing it. You can show 3 75/100 on a number line divided into tenths by plotting a point halfway between 3.7 and 3.8. So this looks like a couple... Oh, they're kind of partnering up these things here, I guess. It's two different ways of looking at it. Here's 3, here's 4. So they go 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.94. And what they're saying is if you go halfway between 7 and 8, that would be the 0.5 part. So that's why they put that point right there in the middle. Okay? Because if you think about it, 75 is halfway between 70 and 80, right? It's a little different way of thinking about things here. And then this one, they just broke it down so the numbers are more exact. So this one's in hundredths, 3.70, 3.71, 3.72, and so on until you hit 3.75. Okay? Down here, which one's not placed in the correct location? Well, let's just double check that they got everything split up correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you see what the problem was? If this is 1.0, then this would be 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 2.0. So 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 8, 9, 10. 1.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on and so on. Okay? Let's do a few of these. Locate 45/100 on the number line. Well, if this is 40, I'm guessing these are counted by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 45, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Here it is. 45/100, and you would write that as 0.45. Okay. This says draw a number line to represent 0.8. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8. 0.8. Remember? 8/10. Okay, this says name the point in the number line for each fraction or decimal. Okay. 7.40, 7.41. So if this is 7.41, you would say 7 and 41 hundredths. Which one of these is that, if any? It'd be this one. So this one is point I. So 41, 42, 7.43, 0.44, 0.45, 0.46, 7.47. 7.47. 7 and 47 hundredths. Do you see that down there? Right, it's this one. So that's J. So that's 50, that's 51. 7 and 51 hundredths. Do you see that down there? Okay. 7.55. 7 and 55 hundredths. Do you see that? Right there. L. If this is 7.60, this is 7.61. Right. See it? I see it. You see it? Where is it? Am I getting warmer? Getting warmer. Getting... Whoa! There it is. That's M. 7.65, 7 and 65 hundredths. Do you see it? No, because it's not a label. N. 65, 66, 67, 68. 7.68. Do you see it? Okay. I see it. I see it. It's right there. N. Okay. That's pretty much it. Just number lines galore. Yay, number lines. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, I miss you. Thanks for listening, and thanks for working hard every day. I'm so proud of you for hanging in there. It's been a long stretch, hasn't it? But you're really doing it, and you're almost to the finish line. Just keep hanging in there, okay? Bye.